Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute workout. Just start by lifting your heels. Nice and slow to start with, warming up through the feet and ankles. While you're starting, have a quick look around, check there's nothing that's going to hurt your feet and nothing you're going to bash into. You only need the space of a mat. Let's make that a little bit faster. Add some arms. Now remember, in my workouts, your workouts, you do what's right for you, for your body. So if I offer arms and you don't want to do the arms, just keep the feet going. If you want to make it smaller or slower, please do. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. And if you're new to this, please, please, please keep yourself at a level that you can keep going for the full 15 minutes. I'm going to change that in a moment to a heel dig, taking the heels out in front. Last 4, 3. Stay facing me. I've just turned so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm taking the heels forward. So if yours is only small, that's fine too, but try and make it a little bit bigger if you can. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, just gently swinging them. Little bicep curls to the side. Take that to a little march. And keep those feet nice and light. Going back to those heel raises. Bit of a jogger's walk and move your arms for jogging. I'm beginning to lift my elbows a little bit higher at the back, feeling the back of the arms working slightly. Always like to get a little bit of arm tone in if we can, just gentle. Are you ready for those heel digs? Let's go to heel digs. And be careful you're not going to bash anything. I'm really close to the wall here. I have to be a little bit careful. 4 more, 3. And march it through. So if you want to keep it gentle, you can. Be a bit harder, take those knees higher, push the elbows back further. Try and keep a nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Neck's relaxed. Back to the jogger's walk. Think about pulling your belly in. Well done. Heel digs. And doing a little bicep curl to the side this time. Again, do what's right for you. If getting the feet right and the arms is messing with your brain today, then just let your arms swing naturally, whatever feels right with you. Catch the beat, taking it to a little side step now. So as usual, it's your choice. You can keep it really small, particularly if it's going to hurt your ankles. If your ankles are a bit weak, keep it small. If you're slightly more experienced and your ankles are nice and strong, start taking it to a side step. Well done. Your body, your workout. Think about pulling that belly in. Well done. Just take little side arms. You can slap them against your legs if you like. I'm keeping mine a bit quieter. It's nicer for you on the recording. Take it to the other side. So if you need to shift along a little bit to have some space, that's fine. And don't worry if you haven't got it, just keep those feet moving. Other side. Just face the arm this time. I'm here touching my shoulder now. Keep that arm as high as you can. Of course, if that's too much, take it lower. That's fine too. For those that want to challenge themselves, last 4, 3, 2, other side. So if that's too much for your arm, if it starts to ache, just swing it down. Well done. Aim is to get through the whole 15 minutes. And if you're finding it too easy, just make the movements a bit bigger. Add the arm movements. Let's change. Both arms if you can, but this is optional. Other side. When you start to feel any tension in your arm, let's change sides. We're going to take an angle this time. Again, options. If you don't want to have that arm as high, keep it low here maybe. Other side. Well done. Change. 3, 2, and change. Well done. And change. Let's lose the arms for 2, and back for 2. For 2. You're doing great. Let's go for singles. A bit like a double side step, but on the off count. Hold it here and tapping onto the toe. Little knee bend in between. The lower you make that bend, the harder it's going to be. You bend and tap with the toe. Just lifting onto one foot, tapping the other toe. So you can keep that really small if you want. If you want it here, that's fine too. Those that want to make it harder, let's get some big arms. We're coming to the middle of the warm-up now, or the workout even. You should be nice and warm. Kicking the heel towards the bum. So you have a choice again. This is your heel bum, or just tapping to the side. Well done. Just kick it out, keep moving through to the next track. Catch the beat, marching, right, left, right, left. Don't worry too much if you're on the wrong foot, but if you follow me, it will make it a little bit easier. Shoulders relaxed, keep that head up, you don't need to look at your feet. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Change that to 3 and a tap. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. So you have an option if you want. You can make that bigger, step back, knee lift, or keep it as a tap. So again, you choose what you want to do, what's right for you. You want to make it harder at an arm. So what I'm doing with my arms, taking them down and up. And less space means you need to. Try and stay facing me all the time if you can. So your easier version, if you're out of breath, you want to make it gentle. With here, harder version. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm touching my shoulders, reaching up and doing a little bicep curl. Might take a little bit of getting used to that move, so do what feels right with you. Maybe just reach the arms up and down. If you want to make it even harder, you can take the arms just up and down. That doesn't work for me very well. I seem to lose the beat with that one. Well done. Let's march it through. Right, left, right, left. You'll take the feet a little bit wider. So wide is as wide as is comfortable for you. And again, you can keep it here, little movements, or make it really wide, lift the knees. His arms moving, shoulders relaxed. Nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Well done. feet are now turning slightly out, knees are following. Knees and ankles, I meant, should be nice and comfortable. 2 in, 2 out, take it in, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Add some arms if you can. This is the brain teaser if you don't know this move. Okay, you can stick with that. You can lose the arms, or we can make it a little bit harder. We're going to go forward. Wide, wide, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. For those that want to jump, I'm not going to jump. I like my workouts to be all low impact. But those that maybe want to add a tiny bit of impact work, that's fine. Ready to march on the spot. Right there, right there. I'm going to turn now slightly to the corner. You're going to move with what space you've got. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and a tap. We're going to march forward for 4, back for 4. So 4, 3, 2. You're going to go with what space you've got. So if you can only go diagonally or straight across your mat, that's fine. Let's change direction. So pick a space you've got. You might need to walk a few further back in order to get space to go forward. That's fine. The idea is you can do these workouts in the space of a fitness mat. Well done. Keep those feet moving through the gap. Softly kicking the feet across. So we're adding a tiny bit of balance here. Keep the knees soft. Take it out to the side. So those that can are going to stand on one leg and let it swing out to the side to challenge your balance. If that's too much, just touch the foot to the side. Just challenge your core muscles, your central muscles. Try and keep your body upright, don't look down at your feet. Now let's take it to a touch, with a little bend in the middle. Again, the bend is optional. Bringing the elbows up, working the back of the arms. So I'm trying to keep the elbows in line with the body, as if I'm between 2 panes of glass and I can't take my shoulders forward. You just take it as high as you need to feel it in the back of the arms. Try and keep the hands relaxed. Well done. Kick the feet across again. Nice soft knees. So both knees, the leg that you're straightening still has a slight soft bend. The other leg, a little bit of bounce in it. If going across doesn't feel right for you, just take it as a small tap, maybe tap the foot in front. But I really want you to be challenging your balance. It's not much of a challenge because we're doing it fairly fast. But for those of you that really need it, you will notice. Working the hip muscles here. Let's take it to a side step. Two steps and back. Well done. Arms again are optional. Let's challenge the brain a little bit. Down, side, up, side, down, side. Again, you don't have to do the arms. You can make the feet much smaller. Oh, let's challenge it a bit more. Forward and up, forward and up, forward and up, forward and up. Can you alternate those? Down and up, forward and up. Whoa, down and up. Maybe I can't. If you can do that, keep going. If not, join me with the supervision. Right, you have a choice now. Grapevine if you want. So grapevine. Step, cross behind, step together. Those that know what you're doing, keep going. Oh, well done. Let's just finish with a little bit of a stretch. You stay facing me. Keep the feet round hip width apart and take your right leg back. Push the heel down. Both feet should be facing forward, so I'm going to ask you to have a quick look and see. Quite often I find people turn their heel in. Push that heel back, bend the front knee, and hold that stretch. If you're feeling it in the calf, if you're not, adjust the ankle until you feel it where the tightness is. If you're finding your balance is bad, take your feet a little bit wider this way. If you're here, it's a little bit difficult. If you're here, it's going to work a lot better for you. I'm going to turn again. Try to have a nice straight line where you can from the top of the head through to the ankle, so we're not rounding all the way forward. Pull the belly in, maybe lean on your leg if you wish. Okay, let's change legs, well done. Same thing, keep the legs wide enough that you can balance. Watch the position of the back heel. Both feet pointing in the same direction, straight forward. Nice and relaxed, pull the belly in. You're concentrating on getting a stretch in that calf muscle. Well done. That's all for today. Bye for now.